In this video, I'll show you how to turn off your camera in a Microsoft Teams meeting. This is useful if you want more privacy, need to save bandwidth, or simply don't want to be on video during a call. To get started, join or start a Microsoft Teams meeting. Before you enter the meeting, you'll see the pre-join screen. On this screen, locate the camera toggle and switch it off to join the meeting with your camera disabled. If you're already in a meeting, look at the meeting controls bar at the top or bottom of the screen. Find the camera icon and click it once to turn your video off. When the camera icon is crossed out, your video is disabled. You can turn your camera back on at any time by clicking the camera icon again. If your camera turns on automatically when you join meetings, you can change this setting. Click your profile picture in the top right corner of Teams. Go to Settings, then select Devices. Under Camera Settings, you can adjust or disable your camera as needed. And that's how you turn off your video camera in a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.